Does the ovary have its own unique collection of bacteria called microbiome? For several years, scientists wondered if the ovary had home to its own unique bacteria, like the gut, the vagina, which host tons of bacteria that could influence women's reproductive health, fertility, or risk of disease. But a new study has taken a closer look at this claim, and the answer may surprise you. The team of researchers wanted to know, do healthy ovaries really have their own microbiome? Or is it just contamination? This is a crucial question because if true microbiome exists, it could change the way doctors approach certain conditions or treatment. The team collected ovarian tissue and follicular fluid samples from 16 healthy women, 11 undergoing gender affirming surgeries, and 11 having planned cesarean sections. They used strict sterile procedures, including lots of negative controls. They used genetic test called 60srRNA gene sequencing to detect bacterial DNA, which works like a molecular fingerprinting technique for bacteria. After analyzing the data and carefully removing any bacterial signatures that appeared in the negative controls, they found that two-thirds of samples there wasn't even enough bacterial DNA present to detect. In remaining, the amount of bacterial DNA was tiny, and almost all the matched bacteria found in the negative controls. This was contamination that came through air, lab environments, or handling tools, and not specific to ovarian tissue. What does this mean for us? For the most healthy women and clinicians treating, currently there is no strong evidence that ovary has its own community of helpful bacteria. You do not need to worry about good and bad bacteria in the ovaries. Why is this important? This research not only helps to clarify a controversial topic, but also sets a high standard for how similar studies should be, especially in low biomass parts of the body where contamination is a major challenge. For scientists, it's a reminder to always account for possible contamination before making any claim. In summary, healthy human ovaries do not appear to have any microbiome. Any bacterial DNA found is almost likely to be contamination.